Hi guys, this is Rick Knight with Highgarden Real Estate, and we are taking a look at a property in Tidewater Plantation. This is a ranch home on the golf course, gas fireplace, beautiful flooring, solid surface countertops. You see the casement windows, and then you have the deck and the golf course. I'm sorry, but it is raining today, so it's a little cloudy outside. Something really unique about this home is these corner windows. See the window right there? The corner piece? There's another one over here. If you love nature, you're gonna love this house because you're sitting in the living room and you just feel like you're outside with all these windows and the trees. It's just beautiful. Normally you'd see the golfers go by right there on the golf path, but it's raining, so they're not there right now. Tidewater Plantation is a gated community with 24-hour security guards at the entrance. This would be, it's 3 bedrooms, so this is a bedroom, but they use it as an office. You have the several windows there. You have a closet. And a little built-in bookshelf right there. You have the laundry right here on the left. This is your second bathroom. Full bath, there's a shower in there. This would be your second bedroom. All right, and now we're going into the master. It's listed for sale unfurnished, but the seller would sell the furnishings separate. And this is the master bath, dual vanity sink. You have a garden tub. And then you have a separate shower here. And then there's a pocket door. You wanted to close that off for the water closet. And another sliding glass door off the master, and what you see there, that is a propane tank that's enclosed, a little area enclosure for that propane tank. They have a brand new heat pump. There is an attached 2-car garage, but you enter that through the front door. There's a covered walkway from the attached garage, so you have to walk outside, then you walk in through the front door, but it is covered. Tidewater Plantation has a owner's pool, owner's hot tub, amenity center. There's a gym, there's tennis courts, there's a larger pool for everyone to use, and then you also have the beach cabana. The beach cabana is on the ocean, over in Cherry Grove Beach, not too far away, and it has gated parking as well. Check out my other videos for Tidewater Plantation, and you can see the beach cabana and you can see the other amenities. All right, guys, if you'd like to schedule a private showing, give me a call, 843-655-3517.